Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to demonstrate how we can use a standard pick list, or you can say existing pick list, in our flows, right? So if you want to use an existing pick list in your flow, so how we can do this? Today we will see. So come to our setup, then flows, click on flows. Okay, before creating, I would like to show you which pick list I'm going to use in my flow, right? So this is my application. So this is my leave application, and here I have a pick list status here, right? So I want to use this pick list with values in my flows. Similarly, I can use, if I want to use for example in opportunity. So if I am talking about the opportunity, if I want to use this stage pick list, so I can use there. So to select any pick list, whether it is a standard object from the standard object, or whether it is from the custom object, we have the same way to call or to use the existing pick list, right? So we will see here now. Come to our flow, new flow, and here I'm going to use screen flow. This, now I'm going to add a screen here, and this screen I'm giving a name here, existing pick list, right? So here API name, and here I'm adding my pick list, right? So I'm using here pick list on my screen, right? So I'm giving the same name, status, right? Because I'm going to use the status pick list here. So API name populated itself. If you want to make it required, you can make it from here, right? So in my choice, now I'm going to create a new choice resource. So here I need to select this pick list choice set, right? So select this option. Here I'm giving a same name, status 1, right? Which object? That is my leave application object. So I am using this object here, right? So which data type? I am using pick list. If you want to use the multi-select pick list, it also have the same way. You can select this multi-select pick list from here. For now I'm using this pick list, so that's why I'm selecting this pick list data type here, right? Which field? That is the status field here. Now sort order, you can select the ascending, descending, or the default order, right? So as per your requirement, you can choose the order from here. For now I'm using default order, right? So after doing this, just click on the done button, right? Now in this way we have selected our pick list with values in my screen flow, right? So after doing this, just click on done. So I'm done with my flow. I'm going to save this flow. So flow for existing pick list, right? So just click on save. Now I'm going to debug this. Now click on run. So here you can see all values are available in my this pick list. So I can use this pick list in my flows as I wish I want to use, right? So this is the process how you can use the existing pick list in your flows. So thank you for watching my videos. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.